honestly, I feel numb. I feel numb about the crime situation was going on at Jamaica. And I know it's been a few weeks since the massacre happened, the terrorist attack, and it's like I'm just kind of reluctant to talk about it. And that is because I feel numb about the crime situation at Jamaica, and this is why. But we're going to talk about it. Jamaica crime rate has been out of hand for a long time. Long time. But for the past year, I've been paying attention to it because them changed one new law. Them changed certain things, and it was supposed to go in the direction to change even more. I think there was like 3 more that was supposed to be changed. You know, but I've been keeping an eye on it, and I said, like, you know what, me I go forward and me I go do a video upon the crime statistics with the go on. I did a video last year, and I was gonna do a video on it this year again, but I was like, no, it don't matter. It don't matter at this point, you know, because when things like this happen, double murder, triple murder, quadruple murder, you know, it's like the minister them come out, politicians them come out, and you know them do a tour through the community, and them take photo ops, and them kiss babies, and them hug up people, and them say, oh, this is outrageous. This is outrageous. You know, it's the same thing over and over and over again. But the real way of a fight this thing, the crime in Jamaica, them not approach it from a strategic standpoint. It's almost like they want this to happen. It's like, because the PMP and the JLP should see this as a significant issue to Jamaica's growth. When we look at one of the things where, you know, I feel like strangling the economy is crime, because, you know, small business, right? Just take a small life in a small business. A lot of people, them not willing to start a small business because them know say them already have to go pay the government, and them have to go pay extortion fee. So even that, you know, it's like, you know what, me not go even bother to go decide, because it's gonna be a struggle. Extortion, you know. But one of the reasons why I feel numb about it is the legislation, right? Quick story. I think 2023, when them passed the legislation where them say, yo, you know what? 15 years minimum for gun. If you get caught with a gun or ammunition, 15 years minimum for gun. You know what? We're gonna lock up everybody, and you know, this is gonna reduce crime significantly, you know. And them a boss and say, alright, cool. The next thing where them go pass are the jail act, you know what I mean? And them go pass them gonna build a big prison over one part, them buy piece of land, and them say, you know what, them pass the gun law, 15-year minimum for a gun, and then, you know, the jail act and all of them something. So I'm saying, alright, cool. You know what, make we sit back and see what going on. We never really celebrate too much, but we are say, alright, cool. 2 clap for you now, 2 clap, but we not celebrate too tough, you see me? So that was passing in like November 2023, and I'm like, alright, cool, boom. December 2023, I can remember there was a robbery, and the robbery going, I think in a Manchester or Mandeville, one of them, and the police officer them confiscate 4 gun, I think like 3 handgun, 1 rifle, ammunition, and a bag of thing. And you know, I was like, alright, cool, make we see what them actually are gonna do, you know. Make we see what them actually are gonna do, because guess what, new gun law passed in November, right? And then December come up, then them say, alright, cool, this is a Christmas for the government to see, alright, cool, we pass Bail Act. No, we are gonna put it to the test, right? Then the 4 man go rob one supermarket. Unfortunately, 1 person to get shot and dead, and they were intersected somewhere around that vicinity, and we see it, they come from the news and everything, because I was following that very, very carefully. Boom, so you know, them get locked up. So me I look on the whole situation and play out, and I say, boom, you know, them get locked up. January pass, February, April, one small statement come out. You know what? You know, them are gonna get charged. Them are gonna get charged March all the way down to May. And it's like when I hear nothing about the whole case, and even when I did the research, not even half of the sentence where them passed the law for was given in that case, where they must say, alright, minimum 15 years for gun, and then catch them the criminal red-handed. So when you look on them case there, I say John was there, wanna really put them things in place, change the law. We've never really seen, you know, new legislation passed in Jamaica, but we are alright, cool, but them pass the law, and it's like nothing never really happened. Them get a present in them hand, and them never actually utilize it. No, yeah. Then I start asking myself, so, this is a waste of time. This is a waste of time. Even went as far as calling like DPP office and say, you know what's up with this case, because we've seen it from a standpoint of a citizen. We see this play out, and you know, I'm not just up on the sideline and say, you know what, XYZ, me just attack, me actually call the DPP office and say, hey, what's going on with this case? And there was no answer given in terms of, well, you know, we can't really talk about it, so and so just email this person, and it led nowhere. It was just a dead end. So to see them have a situation like that where it was played to their advantage so well, and them never score the goal, the ball in them hand, and them never score the goal, just total rubbish. It's total rubbish in my estimation. And to see the crime rate I get out of hand, 8 murder. This is like terrorism. And there's no more effort to really crack down upon the situation as far as legislation. So number one, yeah, pass legislation, right? But actually use them to the advantage of the country and make sure everybody's safe. So as I said, I feel numb about the situation, because as the same thing, you know, murder. Okay, politician come out, them do a press run, them talk to the family, them kiss couple baby, and boom, right back. So I feel numb about the situation. So I hope there is a Jamaica where we can get this under control, because we can't afford to have top the murder charts for so long. And you know, it's just, I just feel numb about the situation.